This is my first year for the actual big safety days here. There's a lot of training, a lot of information, useful information that you can carry on to your crews and other co-workers.
You know, we go through this every year, and I think everybody likes to see, you know, when you're trending in the right direction.
Safety days, it's just getting everybody together and going through, you know, stuff that's happened. You know, it's good that everybody knows and you learn from it.
They're really good about showing you and trying to push you to learn and be a better operator, be a better worker.
I mean, the more you learn, the more you know, the more you can advance and grow with the company and become more valuable.
So I guess I really appreciate that part of safety days, that they're always looking for something new, you know.
Talking about the real problems that we've dealt with and how to better yourself every day, try to be safe every day.
Try to learn as much as you can and, you know, ask questions. If you don't know, ask. I mean, I don't know everything and I still got to ask. I've been in the concrete business for 24 years.
The training is just phenomenal. You know, it's endless of what you can learn. Safety is every day.